Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys. Welcome to Javits Wildlife Encounters, the first and only wildlife sanctuary and home of the Beatles Big Cats. And now, would you please put your hands together for your host, Okay, hello everyone. My name is Roland and welcome to Balwaites Animal Encounter. Really like to meet our wonderful animal friends, so as we tell more information about them and their unique personality. And during the show, I'll be asking volunteers from the audiences to assist me. So this is your chances to use those cameras for the up-close and personal photo opportunity. At bago po ako mag-umpisa, gusto ko pong tumawag ng isa. First, brave volunteer. So ang gagawin nyo lang po, ladies, gentlemen, kids, is to raise your hands. At pagkatapos tatawagin ko kayo, papunta dito sa tabi ko para mahawakan nyo yung mga ilalabas namin na animals, ma'am. And remember, it's not every day that we get to see an exotic animals. Dito lang yan sa Balwaites. Ma'am, pakibigay mo na lang sa kasama mo yung camera so that you can capture ito yung photo. Okay? Hello ma'am, magandang umaga sa'yo. Pangalan?
Joanna.
And where are you from, ma'am?
Pangasinan.
Okay, Pangasinan. Alright ma'am, welcome. Ma'am Joanna, labas mo lang yung kanang kamay. Okay. Then ma'am, promise mo sa akin ha, kahit anong animal lang ilalagay ko sa kamay mo. Ano na? Huwag mo siyang bibitawan. Okay? Now on the first picture, we have... Huwag kang manginig ma'am, huwag kang manginig. The Australian flying squirrel, also known as the sugar glider. Now this one is a small marsupial, spiritual length from 4 up to 6 inches, and their tail is making half of its body. Sila po ay native ng Tasmania, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. Now nakuha po nila yung kanilang pangalan na sugar glider kasi po kaya nilang mag-glide on the top of trees and branches. And because of their small size, sila po ay popular as pocket pets. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin si Ma'am Joanna. Oops, sige ma'am, salamat. Okay, and of course yung aming sugar glider. Ayaw matanggal yung panginginig. Okay. Nakita niyo na guys, just as simple as that, di ba? So, susubukan ko ulit tumawag ng isa. Again, another one to volunteer. And huwag kayo mag-alala. Kasi po, we do bring out an animal into the train. Tayo na po, sinusuwang safe po ito para sa inyo lahat, okay? Sino susunod? Sir. Good morning, sir. Pangalan? Ron. Taga saan si Sir Ron?
Malabon.
Manila. Okay, sir. Welcome. Now, Sir Ron. Atas tayo. Tayo ka lang dyan, ha? Tapos, sir, promise me, any animals that we're going to bring out, huwag kang babalik sa iyong upuan, okay? Alright. Now, on the next picture, we have... This one is the 6th biggest snakes in the world, and they could reach a length from 13 up to 33 feet long and could weigh from 500 up to 1,000 pounds. Sir Ron, yung hawak mo, yan po ay isang albino Burmese python. Now, being an albino, they lack sufficient amount of melanin on their skin, producing this light pigmentation. Sa Tagalog po, sila po ay anak araw. And since sila po ay pamilya ng mga python, ito pong albino Burmese python ay non-poisonous creature. Palakpakan po natin sa Sir Ron. And of course, our albino Burmese python. Okay? Again? Tawag ulit ako na isa. Babae ulit. Ladies. Kasi ito susunod na animals na ilalabas namin, paborito kasi siya ng isang Isabel. Kilala mo siya si Isabel Nolly. Nagpunta na kasi siya dito nun eh. Tapos yung sabi niya sa akin, yun daw po yung pinaka-favorite na animals niya. So, ladies.
Babae, beta mo.
Mukhang may idea ka na, mama. Good morning. What's your name?
Christine. Manila.
Manila. Ma'am, lean down a little bit. Yuko tayo. Oops, wala pa. Okay, atas tayo baka may... Yuko. Because this time, I'll be introducing to you the largest Civet cat family. Ma'am, tayo ka na. And proud to say, a native of the Philippines. Ito po si Bindi